How to activate red Face ID light on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking forward to activate red Face ID light, then you should know that red Face ID light is used by Face ID, that is your true depth camera, and you cannot manually turn on a red Face ID light as iPhone does not have a visible red Face ID light that users can control. The red Face ID light turns on automatically when Face ID is scanning your face. You cannot enable or disable it manually. If you want to see the red Face ID light, then you can take another phone and open its camera and point it at your iPhone's notch or dynamic island and lock your iPhone and then wake it. And when Face ID tries to unlock, you will see small red blinking lights. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.